Hey guys, if you're a beginner and you want to learn Kompa, stay tuned guys. This lesson is for you. We're about to stretch out them fingers and do a little practice techniques. You guys will be set in no time. This is Roland Blazay. You're at KompaKeyboardSchool.com.
Something that's good for me.
What's going on guys? Before we continue, I want you guys to go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel. Guys, it's very simple. It's a click of a button away. Listen, you want to learn how to play Kompa. I'm about to teach you a lot of things that you have to keep in mind before you even start playing, guys. First thing, guys, I do have a Kompa course at KompaKeyboardSchool.com. It teaches you everything. Right now, I'm about to give you a quick run through, but if you want more of these, guys, go ahead and go to KompaKeyboardSchool.com. Let's get started. Okay, so you got a beat playing. First thing you need to do, guys, learn how to find the key. Learn how to find the key. It's not E flat. It's not A flat. It's not G. It's C, guys. A technique I like to do is kind of hum it out. That sounds about right. What's the C scale, guys? It's all white keys. If you do want to learn what the C scale is, guys, it's C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So let's get right into the Kompa playing, guys. Let's get started, guys. So what was I doing, guys? I know the scale, I know the key. Now we're about to practice some techniques that's gonna help you guys play Kompa solos very good, guys. Watch what I'm gonna do here, guys. What's our chord progression? That's the only thing you should have in your mind, guys. What's your chord progression right now? C, F, G, F. Now we're not gonna get into how to find the chord progression. That's in my course at KompaKeyboardSchool.com. But we're gonna just go ahead and go with this progression right here, guys. This is called the and A. C, F, G, F. So if you want to learn how to solo to something like this, guys, you can either do something on the C, do something on the F, or something on the G. Notice that the F repeats. The note that repeats is called your passing chord, guys. So I'm gonna do a solo with my passing chord. Watch this, guys. Watch what I do with the passing chord, guys. I'm gonna keep everything the same. Watch what I do at the F. Notice, all I'm doing, I'm still hitting the same FAC notes, but I'm starting with C. So that's my substitution for it. So guys, to solo better, all you gotta do is substitute, guys. And what I'm doing is I'm taking my passing chord and I'm substituting the notes. Now we're gonna make that solo even better. We're gonna keep making that solo better. So watch this, guys. What can we do to the C? You know what I like to do to the C, guys? Instead of doing C, E, G, I like to remove the E and just use this D, this second note instead. So now it's C, D, E. So now it's C, D, G. So that's what I'm gonna do in the place of C. So. What can we do to the G? What can we substitute for G here? Let's see, guys. We can use the same technique. Instead of G, B, D, we can substitute it for G, A, D. And let's move this D to the bottom. Okay, so let's go again, guys. How different that solo sound from what you normally hear. So let's use one more example, guys. What can we substitute, guys? Let's try a whole different solo. So now let's do something with the C. Let's do something called the walk down, guys. Let's do something with the C called the walk down. And I teach that in my Kompa course as well. So watch this, guys. So the beginning sound beautiful and the rest sound simple. So what can we substitute for F to make this sound good? Guys, just like I was doing with the C when I used the second note, we can do that for F. We can use F, G, C. So I'm just using the F major second, suspended second actually. So what can we do to the G? We're already walking down with the C. How about we walk up with the G? Let's try to walk up. See how nice that sounds, guys? So you're just substituting different things. You're using different techniques. There's the walk down technique. There's using the suspended second technique. There's just a regular, walk down, suspended second. You can play around with it, guys. You can invert it. You can walk up. So these are just some of the few solo techniques I teach in my course. Remember, go to KompaKeyboardSchool.com. Guys, I'm going to let this beat ride so you guys can practice yourselves. This is in the key of C. Remember, know your key, know your progression, know your scale. Guys, and start using these techniques. This is Roland Blazay. Playing Kompa is easy. Go ahead and get started, guys. Signing out. Hey guys, this is Roland Blazay. One thing I want to tell you that Kompa, you will learn Kompa, you will know how to play. And we've just released the official beginner's Kompa course. In the Kompa course, you will learn the key, how to find the key, what is the key, scales, chords, Kompa chord progressions, the number system. You will learn minor chord progressions, Kompa rhythm. In this Kompa course, how to chake, simple solo tips, you will know how to start your journey off playing Kompa. For $19.99. This Kompa course has just been released. Go to KompaKeyboardSchool.com. It will be the first link on the top of the page, and you will begin to know how to play Kompa in no time. Most of the key elements to Kompa keyboard playing is in this course. So guys, do not wait. Do not hesitate. Get your Kompa course now and start playing Kompa right where you're at.